we're gonna finally do that time trial. Since we got the locker in, bam blam, we're gonna make a run and see what we can do. So let's get this thing out and let's get to the spot. You know, they always look so peaceful when they're sleeping. Always look so peaceful when they're sleeping. Okay, one pump. See if she starts. Okay. Okay, draggy set. We should be able to do this all at the same time. Okay, we're just letting her warm up a little bit. Oops, she didn't like that. Okay, here's the Skippy. I just curved 2/10 of a second off of my 60-foot time, and I gained a mile per hour plus a hair on my total time. So we went from 270 plus 60-foot time to a 252 60-foot time. And we also went from 262 miles per hour to 63.5 miles per hour for the 8th mile. Okay, so, but it didn't squeal, it didn't break loose, it just hooked and cooked. Okay, but I should, for gaining 2/10 of a second, I should have got a little bit better mile per hour of that. So what that tells me, just in my gut, it tells me that I'm at the limits of this engine like it is. I mean, I don't know what's in it. I don't know what size cam's in it. All I know is this motor was in another truck and I put it in and it runs like a top. Doesn't overheat, runs good, doesn't use oil, it doesn't smoke. It works fabulously, okay, for this. But I'm at the end of its limits. Uncle Buck's Garage now has memberships, and that's a open opportunity to be behind the scenes, to get information nobody else gets to see, to see things, possibly get to see things before anybody else sees them, things like that. If you would like that opportunity, there's a link down below for the memberships for Uncle Buck's Garage. Please sign up. Okay, I might be able to squeak a little bit more out of it with a little bit of timing and some jetting and some stuff with the carburetor, but the base of it is, that's all she's got in her. Okay, so what do you do to get her better? We're going aluminum heads. What I'm going to do with this, and this is going to be another video, I'm going to start this week, or I'm going to start this soon, is that we're going to take everything off the top end of this motor and we're going to replace it with this, but we're going to put everything else back together like it was to make a true test of what coming off cast iron heads to a decent set of aluminum heads will do to your engine. Okay, so and then we'll do time trials on that too. And so, but this is the base. We went 63.5 miles per hour with a 2.52 60-foot time, which I know is still abysmal. Okay, but like I said, it's at its limits. It's stock converter, stock everything. So now we can start playing. We have a baseline, and this is going to be, I'm starting this soon, and we're going to just put everything back together again. The timing will be the same, carburetor will be the same, intake, exhaust, everything will be the same. The only change is going to be this. So that's going to be the next one. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified whenever this video goes up, okay? Because this is going to be the next progression in the truck. And then there's going to be a whole bunch of things after that. But, so, stay tuned. Be safe. I appreciate all you guys. We'll see you next time. So if you want to see my best little video ever made, right here. If you want to see the one that they say is best for you, is right there. Y'all be good.